Hello everyone, welcome for a new video. Today we are talking about
Drag your footage onto the timeline. Now, go to the Text tab and add your default text. Type whatever you want. I pick a bold font like Ubuntu. Let's color it in black and position it so it partially covers your character. This is where most people get stuck. Don't worry about it being on top for now. Here is the magic step. I am going to copy and paste the original video and drop it directly on top of the text. With that top clip selected, navigate to the Video tab on the right, then hit Remove Background. Check the auto removal. CapCut's AI will now scan the frame and remove the background from the top layer, leaving only your character. Because the top layer is just the character and the bottom layer has the text, it creates a perfect 3D sandwich. If the edges look a bit rough, you can go to the basics video settings and add a tiny bit of canvas or shadow to the text layer inside the compound clip to blend it better. This works even if your character is moving or walking. CapCut did a pretty smooth job in this case. What other pro effects do you want to learn? Comment depth below and I'll send you my top 5 font picks for this effect.
and make sure you double check these two cool effects.